Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial of C programming for beginners. Hi, this is Sakthi Arun, M.Tech student from NIT Patna. I'm technically supporting the missile Ingeniator. In my last lecture, I have given swapping the two numbers in C with the help of a third variable temp. In this lecture video, I'm going to explain you guys the same example as swapping the two numbers, but this time we're not going to use the third variable. Instead of using the third variable, okay, with the help of our operators, we're gonna perform the same operations as swapping the two numbers in C. Okay. So in my last lecture video, I have swapped the two numbers with the help of third variable. Now I'm going to command this third variable, and we're gonna perform the same operation as swapping the two values without the third variable temp. Okay, so to do that, what we have to do is we have to change these expressions. So to first, what we have to do is we have to assign the value of a, which is equal to a plus b. Okay, here we are using an addition operators. So what we are doing, we are adding a and b. Okay, so adding a and b, and result is stored in b. Okay, so if here whatever a and b is available, it's like a read variable or value, and this value is assigned to the left value, which can be modified. Okay, and in the next operations, what we have to do is we have to modify the value of an a with the help of expressions. It's b minus a. So we have to subtract b and a, and then we have to assign the value to a. Okay, so subtract b and a, and value is, and the result value is assigned to a. Okay, and in the next case, we have to modify the value of b. For that, what we have to use, we have to use the same expression, b minus a. Okay, and we are now again we are subtracting the same value, but this time what we're going to do is we are going to change the value of b. Okay, so the result value has to be stored to b. Okay, so now let me run this program. So first let me give the value as 2, and the next is 3. Okay, so what happened here is I assigned the value of a is 2 and b is 3 before swapping. So after swapping, the value of a is assigned to b and the value of b is assigned to a. Okay, so this is how it is performed. Let me show you here. So initially I have applied the value of a and b as a equal to 2, okay, and b equal to 3. Okay, so this is what I assigned. So when we come into the expression of a plus b, what happens is it's 2 plus 3, the value of is 5. So now b becomes 5. Okay, and in the next case here, what happened is we are subtracting the value of b with the a. Okay, so now the value of b is 5, so the value of b will be 5 here, and a is whatever we assigned in the user. Okay, it is 2. So what happens here is 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. Okay, so now the value of a is 3, and here what happens is, here similarly value of b is still 5, which is got in the first expression. So 5 minus value of a, which is 3, which we attained in the previous expression, in the second expression. So it's 3, which is equal to b, which is equal to 2. Okay, so initially we assign the value of a is 2 and b is 3. So after the swapping, we get a as 3 and b as 2. Okay, so this is what the swapping of operation is performed with the help of addition and subtraction operators. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. In my next lecture, I will do the same example of swapping the two numbers without using this plus and minus subtractor operator. I'll be using a multiplication and division operators. Okay, thank you all. If you have any doubt, please post it in the comment section.